Go.
G'day, I'm Duncan from ARB Windsor. Just want to show you a little job that we just did. This vehicle here, the Isuzu D-Max, we just fitted the Linx system in. The gentleman's got quite a few units, and the versatility of this is that obviously you can use all this stuff to turn on and off several items. Okay, so one of the options is that the unit actually gets a feed from ignition, permanent power, reverse, and a few others. So what that enables you to do is basically use this as a switch to turn all your lights on. So if you're limited for switch space, this is an awesome little unit. So as you can see, when I pull the high beam on, both the spotlights and the roof light bar come on, and when I take that off, they go off. We've also fitted some little lights to that the customer supplied to his roof rack. So this one here, being the reverse one, I can manually turn that on and off, or simply by going into reverse, you can see that it comes on as well. The other thing that he's got is on top of the rack, there's a couple of lights off on the side there. So he's got left hand side, right hand side lights. The other things that this unit's got, it's obviously got the time, the date. It's got your inclinometer there for pitch sideways as well. Speed, altitude, your heading, your battery voltages. So obviously when I start it, you'll see in a second, they'll start picking up. And he's got a dual battery in the back of the car. So it just enables you to monitor that battery as well whilst you're driving. And you can see now the BCDC's kicked in. It's now charging that battery really well. The other option you got, this vehicle here has got a rear locker in it. With this, I can simply turn the compressor on or off here, or because he's got the diff lock, I can hit that there. That rear diff lock is now engaged. I can now hit it and it disconnects the diff lock. You can swap these over from side to side, and as you just scroll up or down, as that. The other ability this unit's got is tyre pressure monitoring, which you can buy internal tyre pressure monitors. Also has a fridge temperature and voltage setup. It's got a myriad of options for it, and the other good thing is that it's updatable. So as soon as ARB releases a new thing for it, basically you can download the app. You've got to buy a couple of other little modules or whatever, but basically it's a very universal unit. So excellent if you're struggling for switch space.